Hello, everyone. I'm Christopher Naputo, your TESDA accredited TVT trainer. Today, we'll be talking about an essential component of dump trucks that makes their heavy-duty functions possible, the power takeoff, or PTO. Understanding how the PTO works and how to properly operate and maintain it is crucial for safe and efficient operations. So let's dive in. The power takeoff, PTO, is a mechanical device that transfers power from the truck's engine to auxiliary components. In this case, the hydraulic pump responsible for raising and lowering the dump box or bed. Without the PTO, the hydraulic system wouldn't have the power needed to lift heavy loads. The PTO is typically mounted to the truck's transmission. It draws power directly from the engine's rotational energy. The PTO is activated by a switch or lever inside the cab. Once engaged, it begins powering the hydraulic pump, allowing it to pressurize hydraulic fluid. When the hydraulic pump is powered, it enables the raising and lowering of the dump box by forcing hydraulic fluid into the lifting cylinder. Disengaging the PTO stops the hydraulic function, ensuring safe operation when not needed. You just positioned your dump truck at a job site and need to unload a heavy load of gravel. You activate the PTO by pulling the PTO lever or pressing the PTO button inside the cab. As the PTO engages, you can hear a noticeable change in the engine's sound, indicating power transfer to the hydraulic pump. You then operate the hydraulic control lever, causing the dump box to raise smoothly and efficiently. Once unloading is complete, you lower the dump box, disengage the PTO, and proceed with your task. This process demonstrates how the PTO directly powers the hydraulic system, making heavy lifting possible. Imagine you're at a construction site, preparing to unload a full load of materials. You engage the PTO, but the dump box fails to lift. Upon inspection, you find that the PTO is not properly engaged due to a faulty connection or mechanical issue. To troubleshoot, you check the hydraulic pump, transmission connection, and fluid levels. You discover a loose connection at the PTO linkage, which needs adjustment. After securing the connection, the PTO successfully powers the hydraulic system, and you can complete your task. This scenario highlights the importance of routine inspections and prompt troubleshooting. Operating the PTO requires focus and precision. Always engage the PTO when the truck is stationary and in neutral gear. Ensure the area around the truck is clear of people and obstacles before raising or lowering the dump box. Never attempt to repair or adjust the PTO while it's engaged. Always turn off the engine and secure the truck before performing any maintenance. Regular inspections. Inspect the PTO linkage, hydraulic pump, and hoses for signs of wear, leaks, or damage. Check for loose bolts or connections regularly. Ensure that the PTO mechanism is properly lubricated to avoid seizing or premature wear. Keep the PTO clean and free from debris or contaminants. Regularly engage and disengage the PTO to ensure it operates smoothly. Test the hydraulic system before performing any heavy lifting. Always engage the PTO when the vehicle is stationary and in neutral to avoid damaging the transmission. If you hear unusual noises, experience irregular operation, or see hydraulic fluid leaks, address the issue immediately. Make sure you understand the specific PTO system of your dump truck before operating it. The power takeoff system is the heart of your dump truck's hydraulic operation. Always ensure it's working properly and follow best practices for safe and efficient use. This has been Christopher Naputo, your TESDA accredited TVT trainer. Thanks for watching, and always stay safe on the job.